Welcome to our virtual field trip to one of the most fascinating places on Earth, the Pyramids of Giza and the Great Sphinx. Our journey takes us to the city of Giza in Egypt, home to the ancient pyramids and the Great Sphinx. These incredible structures have stood here for over 4,500 years. First, let's talk about the Great Pyramid of Giza. This pyramid was built for Pharaoh Khufu and is the largest of the three pyramids at Giza. It's made from about 2.3 million blocks of limestone, each weighing as much as an elephant. Imagine how strong the workers must have been. The ancient Egyptians used clever techniques to build the pyramids. They didn't have modern machines, so they used ramps, sleds, and sheer manpower. It took around 20 years to complete the Great Pyramid. Inside the pyramid, there are narrow passageways leading to different chambers. The most important chamber is the King's Chamber, where Pharaoh Khufu's sarcophagus was placed. A sarcophagus is a stone coffin. Now, let's move on to the Great Sphinx, another wonder of ancient Egypt. The Sphinx is a massive statue with the body of a lion and the head of a pharaoh believed to be Khafre, Khufu's son. It was carved from a single block of limestone and is about 66 feet high and 240 feet long. That's as long as a football field. The Sphinx has stood guard over the pyramids for millennia. In ancient times, it was even painted in bright colors. Over the centuries, the Sphinx has faced the challenges of weather, sand, and time, but it still stands as a symbol of ancient Egyptian ingenuity and power. Did you know the Great Pyramid was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years? The ancient Egyptians believed that the pyramids helped the pharaoh's souls reach the afterlife. They even placed treasure and goods inside to help them on their journey. We've learned so much about the incredible Pyramids of Giza and the Great Sphinx today. Now, let's see what you remember with a quick quiz. How many blocks of limestone were used to build the Great Pyramid of Giza? Is it A. 1 million, B. 2.3 million, or C. 3 million? It's B. 2.3 million. Who is believed to be represented by the head of the Great Sphinx? Is it A. Pharaoh Khufu, B. Pharaoh Khafre, or C. Pharaoh Menkaure? It's B. Pharaoh Khafre. For how long was the Great Pyramid the tallest man-made structure in the world? Is it A. 1,000 years, B. 2,000 years, or C. 3,800 years? It's C. 3,800 years. Great job, explorers! Thanks for joining us on this virtual field trip to ancient Egypt. See you next time. Goodbye.